Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. I hope this video finds you in perfect health. Today I share with you how I preserve my yam for longer use. Food is expensive these days and you don't want to waste money. You want to make sure you're getting your money's worth. So this particular time of the week, I had visitors. So I bought yams thinking they were going to finish it when they come. Unfortunately, when they came, they were interested in eating other foods. So we ended up not using all the yam. And I realized we're going bad. So we're going to go ahead and preserve this yam. I ended up getting my money's worth, all right? So what you want to do, first of all, is to take your yam, cut it into pieces. Make sure you have water on the side to prevent discoloration. And that is exactly what I'm doing in the video. For this last yam, I was only able to salvage a few pieces out of it. Most of it had gone bad. And this is what I'm talking about. You know, you don't want to buy food and end up throwing it away. So we need to be smart. I then wash the yam thoroughly with cold water. Into a saucepan, I bring water to a boil and add turmeric and salt, black pepper to activate the turmeric. Stir and add the yam. We're going to parboil the yam, not cook. Parboil the yam. Cover and bring it to a boil for just a few minutes. We're not cooking, we're just parboiling. Strain the yam. Rinse with cold water. Spread it on a tray to cool down completely. Store in a Ziploc bag and freeze for future use. Go ahead and air fry or cook. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Subscribe, like, and share, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.